It's an environmental land art installation. It's about the deforestation of the Congo Basin, the impact of man on the environment. The Congo rainforest is the second biggest rainforest and the second lung after the Amazon. There is approximately 70 million people inhabiting the Congo Basin. Coffee, cacao and tea plantations are impacting on it. So the deforestation creates erosion, makes the rivers flow red with the topsoil. The installation is a spiral of the forest dwindling to an end. In the installation, you will end up with a mirror which we need to look into and ask ourselves, what are we doing? Where are we going? What can we do to protect this for our children? The wood chip installation is a metaphor for the logging. The Hessian sisal plant fabric is a metaphor for the coffee bean bags. And this red soil, destruction of the fertile land that's washing away. The tree selection is Syzygium guineense. It's indigenous to Africa. It stretches from Senegal to Ethiopia. There's a installation of watering that represents the rain in the rainforest.